This is the Dough Cruise Diner in Dubai. At ngayong gabi, dito natin sasalubungin ang aking maligayang kaarawan.
Nakulat ako. I knew it! Aming tumakil palawa siya.
Ready to go?
Yes, love. I'm ready.
Wow!
Love, ito na ang aking birthday salubong. Outfit of the night.
Ang ganda!
Siyempre, love, pupunta tayo sa pinaka-romantic na cruise diner.
Daddy, pogi mo ngayon ah.
Totoo ba?
Oh, birthday mo eh.
Ay, love naman.
Hindi, lagi
Tuwing
ka
birthday
pogi.
ko lang?
Hindi, lagi.
So, ayan, ito yung ating outfit. Ikaw, anong outfit mo? Di ba?
Ito.
Wow! Oh my God! Ang gandang binibini naman nito. Look at that dress, love. Welcome to Dubai. Oh my God, touchdown, baby!
Cruise na ba?
Let's go!
Tara!
Habang pinapanood nyo to, birthday ko na. Kaya sa mga gusto magregalo dyan, meron tayong 51% na nanonood sa atin na hindi pa nakasubscribe. Ano ba naman yung regalong mag-subscribe kayo ngayon? And sobrang ma-appreciate ko yan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mwah! So, andito na pala tayo sa hotel. Dito na tayo mag-i-stay sa buong Dubai trip natin. Napakagandang hotel. Love, meron pa tayo dong bathtub na may view, kita ang Burj Khalifa. Oh my God! Guys, mag-hotel room tour si Carlin sa vlog niya, kaya abangan nyo rin yung mga magagandang vlogs ni Carlin dahil iba-vlog niya yung buong Dubai trip din natin. Now, my brothers and sisters, we are about to go down and we are about to go to the Dough Cruise Diner in Dubai. Tara, love. Oh my God, what a place! Oh my God! Dito tayo! Okay guys, welcome sa Dough Cruise Diner. Oh my God! Love! We're here!
Yay! We're here!
Oh my God! Hold up! Bakit parang may dalawang Carlin dito nasa tapat namin? Love, tingin ka nga! Smile! Ate Carlin, tingin ka nga! What? Sino ba talaga sa inyo?
Magkamukha
Dalawa si
kami?
Carlin!
Magkamukha
Oo,
kami?
magkamukha kayong dalawa!
10 years ang gap namin.
10 years and... Hey guys, gusto ko pakilala sa inyo si Ate Karil. Ayan, she lives in Dubai. She's working here. At yan, ito yung older sister ni Carlin. Ate Karil, ang ganda mo.
Thank you.
Promise! Oh my God! Ate Karil, alam mo ba, kung kaedad mo lang rin ako, ikaw ata siguro yung girlfriend ko.
Kakulok.
Nakikita niyo naman kung gaano kaganda ang background natin dito. Oh my God! Guys, look at this place. Tapos ito yung kaharap ko ngayon. Sobrang ganda mo, love. Parehas kayo ni ate. Magkasing ganda kayo ni ate. Kaso, mas mataba nga lang si ate.
Well, umuwet na ako.
Hello my friend, how are you? Do you mind if I take a video of you? It's alright. So what's your name, my friend?
Nayandi.
Nayandip. Okay, it's nice to meet you, my friend. I'm Bon. I'm a YouTuber from the Philippines.
I just heard.
Oh, you
I
just
love your
heard.
job. I am a YouTuber too, but
Oh, you're a YouTuber too.
I'm not a YouTuber, so I'm a talk show host.
Oh, talk show host. Wow, in India. Good to meet
That's
you,
why I
my
was telling
friend.
my brother that listen, I need to get one of these for my own things. Because my brother is tired of clicking my videos.
Oh, this is your brother. What's up, my brother? How are you? I'm Bon, my brother. Manandi. Okay. Actually, my friends, we're celebrating my birthday tomorrow.
Oh, happy
It's my birthday tomorrow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All your friends. So what is your YouTube channel?
YouTube channel? Yeah, you can check it. If you're gonna subscribe, that's a advance birthday gift for me.
Yeah, definitely.
2.5 million followers. They
Oh,
don't need
really?
me.
That's me? Oh my God! What? So am I famous?
You are more famous than people I know.
Oh, really?
Content, just like I told you. So, and I think that this is a job that people need to respect. People should know that this is a profession. This can be a profession.
Yeah.
So I think you're doing a great job.
Yeah, I love it.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you so much. Sarap lang sa pakiramdam na may mga nakikilala tayo dito, mga bagong kaibigan. At syempre, isa pa siya sa mga host ng mga talk show. Diba? Sa India. Right? What's up, my friend? Oh, you look good. You look like Bob Marley. Shut up. You know Bob Marley?
Well, okay, you're gonna take a long.
This is a video, my friend. Yeah, I got you. Kala niya picture eh.
Oh, video. Video.
Oh my God, guys. Paalis na tayo! Tingnan nyo kung gano'ng aganda yung city views na yan. Oh my God.
Too perfect. Best birthday, love you. Love you.
My friend, do you mind if I teach you some our native language words? There's a 2 word. It means I'm handsome. You can say it. Bakla ako.
Bakla ako.
Yes!
Bakla ako.
That means I'm gay.
Amazing. I knew it. I knew you were gonna do something like that. But I was going to teach you something nice, and I'm not. You should say something to her, and it's not a joke. It's not a prank. You should say, "Ami, tomake, bhalobashi."
Ami tuwake palubashi.
I love you.
Really?
Yeah, in Bengali.
Ami tumake palubashi. I love you. All I can say is, wow, grape. I love Pakistani. I love the people of Pakistani. Labi, look behind you.
What?
Oh my God, napakaganda.
Ang ganda!
Picture lang kita. Okay, ready ka? Yeah, okay. Posing ka, ha? Okay, 3, 2. Love, alam ko na caption mo dun sa mga pictures na yon. Kalbo. Kalbo o kaya panot.
Baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh, baby, every curse got me going crazy. Can't control it.
Look at that!
Yeah!
Oh my God, ang ganda ng mga pictures namin dito.
What do you think about your picture?
Perfect.
Perfect. This is your shot. That was a nice shot, my friend. You're very good photographer.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tonight's my birthday.
Really?
So like, maybe you can give this for free.
It's my mother's birthday today. Should give me more money.
Okay, more money, alright. Okay, my friend, we're gonna get this, all the photos.
All the photo, I will give you a discount.
I love you, my friend. I love you, my friend. Thank you, thank you.
Say happy birthday for my mother.
Time check, it's already 9:54 here in Dubai. Love, it's 12 a.m. in the morning na sa Philippines.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! I love you!
Okay, so ngayon guys, merong sumasayaw ng Tandora, ang tawag. At ayun yun, ikot-ikot siya ng maraming colors. Grabe, buong sayaw ba siya iikot?
1, 2, 3. Ikot-ikot lang siya, love. Kaya ko din yan eh. Ano, love, pinatay yung ilaw.
Round up.
Love, look. Para siyang blade. Oh. Naka 20 ikot pa lang ako. Nahilo na agad ako. Isa nga naka-100 eh, no? Grabe. Talent pala yun, no?
Hindi ka na bumalit.
Totoo ba? Love. What's up, boy? Kamusta kayo dyan? Parang may nakakalimutan ata kayo, ah. Yeah! Hey! Hey boy, salamat! Andito kami, men, oh. Kita nyo ba? Napakagandang place, oh. Sana kasama ko kayo dito, men. Ayan, oh. Gaano kaganda, oh. Look at that. O, sige, sa susunod, ah. Bye! Salamat, boy. Bye, love ko kayo dyan. Hey boy, see you. Bye-bye. Sabi.
Love, ganito yung ginawa mo kayo na.
Ano? Love naman. Bakit
Ay,
naman
hindi.
ganun?
Sobrang cute.
Eh, syempre nahihilo na ako eh. Paano pa yung tama?
Tama, kapag just kasi na ganun.
Okay.
Kailangan may point ka. Ito,
Okay,
at
so
dito.
may punto. Kunyari may nakatingin doon. Okay, sa pader na yan. Tapos, uy, okay.
Oh,
Uy,
point.
uy, 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 uy. Ang galing mo lang lang. Tama, uy, 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 uy.
Para hindi ka mahilo.
Okay, ngayon alam ko na. Di mo naman ako tinuruan eh.
Ay, di ko
Diyos
rin
ko
naman alam
naman,
yan.
oh.
Alam ko lang dati pa. Inaaral siya lang. Pero maganda yung sa'yo.
Ha?
Maganda yung sa'yo.
La, nakakainis talaga. Nabla, birthday ko ha. Inaasar-asar mo ako ha.
Happy birthday.
Alright, nandito na kami sa hotel. Ito yung pinakauna nating gabi dito sa Dubai. Ngayon, since tonight is my birthday, tomorrow is gonna be a big day. Lablab. At tomorrow, 11 a.m. in the morning, magsi-celebrate tayo ng birthday natin in the sky! Because we're gonna go skydiving! Love, love! And dalawa kami ni Carlin doon. Makikita niyo yung magiging reaction namin for the first time na mag-skydiving kami. Tapos ano pa yung mga activities natin?
Tomorrow? Surprise.
Surprise na
Kasi
lang.
pag birthday mo doon, dapat di mo alam mo surprise ka.
Bakit may surprise ka rin sa akin?
Actually, ngayon may surprise ako sa'yo.
No way. Ano? Ano?
Pikit ka.
Pikit ako. Eh, nakapikit na ako. Okay.
Ikaw ah.
Alright. Ready?
3,
2,
2,
1. Okay.
Happy birthday!
What?
Ito na yung
May
cake
mga
mo.
pa-cake pa ako dyan at balloons. Oh my God.
Ibig sabihin, ready?
Ano yun? Ready to go to? Magbatab. Maligo na, maligo na. Okay. Okay. Ay, ligo na mo tayo! Hi guys, enjoy ko na itong pinakawalang gabi natin sa Dubai. At sa lahat ng mga tropa natin dyan, na 51% na hindi nakasubscribe, isubscribe nyo na yan. Birthday ko naman eh, kaya hit that subscribe button for me. Tara na, love, love. Let's take a bath. Kasi nga, binigyan niya ako ng cake na towel. Kayo naman talaga, oo. Ba naman? Hi guys, good night! Nakita tayo bukas sa day 2. Skydiving birthday celebration natin bukas. Peace out! I love you guys!
Tuesday, kiss me at the red light. We both like to walk down in Shelby Park.